of teacher Rachel Mendez. He is the son of Mr. Marvin Fortus and Mrs. Angeline Fortus. His favorite food is carbonara. Favorite animal is rabbit. He loves to read Wimpy Kid book. He likes color green. His favorite day of the week is Sunday. He often craves cookies and cream ice cream flavor. He loves to listen to 80s songs and it makes his day watching Walking Dead movie. Once again, our Mr. Twist, Zeus L. Fortress. Let's give him a warm round of applause. And together with our Miss Twist, Francesca Sofia L. Marcillo, 10 years of age, born in Pinamalayan, a grade 5 student under the advisory of teacher Michelle Mendez. She is the daughter of Mr. Dennis Magsimo and Mrs. Annie Marie Magsimo. Her favorite food is fried chicken. Her favorite animal is dog. She loves to read Lord Dyer's book. She loves color yellow. Her favorite of the week is Saturday. We often crave chocolate ice cream flavor. She loves to listen Shirley's song and makes her day watching Avatar movie. Once again, our Miss Peace, Francesca Sofia L. Magsimo. Let's give her a round of